Let's look at a brand new AI feature inside of Accessibility Tracker. We are going to go to the dashboard, and then from here, we just need to go to the top navigation menu and select AI consultation. And now we have an AI chat interface, and I'm going to ask, what are the three top WCAG success criteria that come up the most? Here we can see 4.1.3, 1.3.5, and then 3.3.2, and then AI elaborates on each of those. So now I'm going to ask another question. So I'll enter this in. The question is, based on our current issues, what are the two most pressing areas our developers need to work on implementing accessibility into their workflows? So here we can see status messages and announcements and input identification and labeling. I will tell you that when you're using this, it is very helpful to be very specific and also narrow down the focus into one or a few things. Otherwise, AI tends to go on and on with the answer. But here you can see you're able to extract insights from your portfolio data. And the reason I say portfolio is because this isn't for a single project. Now, it can be if you only have one project in your portfolio. But if you have multiple projects, which some clients have 10 plus projects, then this can be really helpful in gaining insight into the overall projects and what you need to focus in on as an organization. So we have that answer, and I'm going to ask AI one more question. So the question is, based on our specific project accessibility issues, what are the three pieces of advice you have for me as a project manager? We have here prioritize and allocate resources to key issues, integrate accessibility into the development workflow, and then establish clear communication and documentation channels. So this is extremely helpful for project managers who are managing multiple projects. They have an expansive portfolio. Now you can gain insights into that portfolio. I'll probably rename this from AI consultation to AI insights, but this is a brand new feature. We're still going to sharpen this feature, but it's here. If you want insights into a single project, you also have that ability inside of Accessibility Tracker. Also, if you want progress reports, instant progress reports at any point in time, we now also have AI generated progress reports. And if your team needs help with fixes, which most teams want or need help, that is here as well. So there's AI to guide your team through the fixes. What this does is it gives your team accessibility knowledge, even where they might not have any, or even if they do have any, they'll still have AI to guide them with the code. And this can help reduce the number of rounds of validation and just get your project completed sooner. So we've really infused intelligence at all of the major points of an accessibility project. So whether you just have one audit or you have 10 or you have 50, Accessibility Tracker is really going to help you in tracking your projects and working towards full conformance and knowing where you stand. And it keeps you organized. So there's a centralized hub where, of course, we have analytics, but there's a centralized hub where each of your team knows exactly what issues are being worked on, the status of those issues, and who's assigned to each issue. So Accessibility Tracker is extremely nice in organizing your efforts, keeping track of your efforts, and then getting ahead, using AI to get ahead and complete your project sooner, save time and money. We've really built this to be the most efficient and most effective platform on the market. And we're not done here, but this is the latest AI release. It's one that's really helpful, and we're going to keep adding on to this. If you want to sign up for Accessibility Tracker, you can sign up for free. If you don't have an audit report to upload, you can simply search for accessible.org audit report, use that as your sample audit report, and then try out the features inside of Accessibility Tracker. So I will include a link to Tracker in the description.